Welcome to our tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll guide you how to download Typing Master in laptop. 1. Open your browser and search for Typing Master 10. 2. Click on the website that you see on the top of your search results. 3. Click on Download Typing Master 10. 4. Choose location and click Save. 5. It will start downloading. 6. Know a feature it is downloaded, click on the small arrow on the Downloaded File tab and click on Show in Folder. 7. Now double-click on the aisle and then choose your language. 8. Click OK and then Next. 9. Accept the agreement and click Next. 10. Keep clicking on Next until you see the Install button. 11. Now click on Install. 12. Click on Finish. 13. It will ask for your name, type your name, and click on Enter. 14. Start using Typing Master now. Congratulations. You have successfully learned how to download Typing Master in laptop.